Characteristics of Harappan civilization. Harappan civilization, also known as the Indus Valley Civilization, was characterized by several distinctive features that set it apart from other contemporary civilizations. Urban planning. Harappans were skilled urban planners and built well-organized cities with grid-like street layouts. The cities were divided into sectors and blocks, and houses were built using standardized brick sizes. Advanced sanitation and drainage systems. Cities of the Harappan civilization had advanced sanitation and drainage systems. They constructed intricate networks of covered drains, public and private wells, and public bathing areas, showcasing their knowledge of urban hygiene and water management. Standardized weights and measures. Harappans had a remarkable standardization of weights and measures. Archaeological findings indicate the use of uniform weight units for trade and commerce, suggesting a well-regulated economic system. Craftsmanship and trade. The Harappans were skilled craftsmen who produced a wide range of goods, including pottery, jewelry, metalwork, and textiles. The presence of these artifacts suggests a flourishing trade network that extended both locally and across long distances, with evidence of connections to regions like Mesopotamia. Writing system. The Harappan civilization had a script known as the Indus script. While the script remains undeciphered, it is found on various artifacts, including seals, pottery, and other objects. This suggests the existence of a written language and administrative or symbolic usage. Agricultural practices. Harappans were proficient in agriculture and practiced systematic farming. They utilized advanced irrigation techniques and cultivated a variety of crops, including wheat, barley, peas, and cotton. The availability of surplus food likely supported urbanization and trade. Art and symbolism. Harappan civilization displayed a rich artistic tradition. Artifacts like seals, figurines, and pottery are adorned with intricate designs and motifs, often depicting animals, humans, and mythical creatures. These artistic expressions provide insights into their belief systems, social hierarchy, and cultural practices. Social organization. Harappan society is believed to have been organized into distinct social and economic classes, although the exact nature of their social structure is still debated. Presence of large citadels, public buildings, and granaries indicates central authority and administrative control.